Welcome to the software journey with GKey, data warehousing concepts with real-time interview questions and answers. Lesson number 5. What are different types in data warehousing?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what are single tier, two tier, three tier data warehousing architectures. Let us see the data warehouse architectures like tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. A data warehouse can be built in different architectural styles depending on complexity, scalability and performance needs. First we will discuss about single tier architecture. A single tier architecture aims to minimize data redundancy by keeping all data in one layer. That means data redundancy means the duplicates. If you split the data into n number of layers, the redundancy will increase. That's why to reduce or minimize the redundancy, keep all data in one layer. Only one tier where data storage and analysis happens in the same system. No staging and no separate ETL for this tier. Not used in real world enterprise systems. It is ideal only for academic or very small data setups. For big businesses like banking, insurance, this system is not compatible. For small business, for institutions like some academic things, these systems are going to be used. Here, minimize the data redundancy, keeping all the data layers, that is ETL layer, warehousing layer, all layers in a single tier. Coming to the diagram of this single tier architecture, these are the different sources and this is the data warehouse system. Data storage, processing and reporting in one layer. This is a single tier. That means in a single layer all things are going to happen. Let us see the next layer, that is two tier architecture. Here in two tier architecture, it separates tier 1, that is data warehouse storage layer, tier 2 client tools presentation layer. These are the two types which are available in two tier architecture. ETL happens inside warehouse. Reporting tools directly connect to the data warehouse. It is suitable for mid-sized systems, but scalability is limited. It is tight coupling between client and warehouse may cause performance issues. Diagram for this two tier architecture is, this is the source system and this is the warehouse system. Storage and ETL are integrated in these systems. And the client applications like BI tools and reporting and dashboarding is separate here. Here is reporting is separate and staging like storage and ETL is integrated. These are two tier architecture. Better than one tier but still limited for enterprise workloads only. This is a two tier architecture here. Coming to the third architecture, that is three tier architecture. It is most commonly used. We have discussed in all the previous classes. And in real time also we will be using this three tier architecture only. Three tier architecture separates the data warehouse systems into three layers. The first tier is a bottom tier, which is a data warehouse database. It stores cleaned historical data. The schemas are like star, snowflake schemas are available here. Data marts also available here for specific business area. The data is going to get into the particular business data marts. And coming to the tier 2, it is a middle tier like OLAP server or semantic layer. Here we can have the query engine, aggregations, cubes, semantic modeling. It acts as a buffer between data warehouse and reporting. And coming to the last layer, that is top layer, which is a reporting, analytics and BI tools like Power BI, Tableau, SSRS. This different BI tools or reporting tools or visualization tools happens at this third tier of architecture in three tier architecture, which is mostly used or commonly used data warehouse architecture. If you come to the last slide, that explains whole thing. The basic architecture of data warehouse diagram is three tier architecture. Here first tier is like source systems. These are different sources. And bottom tier is data warehousing, ETL storage process. Here it maintains fact tables, dimension tables and staging area and data marts. And coming to the middle layer, these are the source systems, and this is the bottom layer, and this is the middle layer which maintains a semantic layer, cubes, aggregations, and query engine. It is like a middle layer. We can call it as OLAP or MDX in the business analysis. And finally, it is the top layer. By using Power BI, Tableau, SSRS, we can make some dashboards and analytics by using these visualization tools. And coming to the most the thing for this three-tier architecture, it is more like most scalable, used by all modern cloud data warehouses like Snowflake, Sybase, and Redshift. These are the different databases which are cloud databases. Nowadays, these databases used for all the businesses, most of the businesses. The modern architecture can be compatible for the Snowflake, Sybase, and Redshift databases as well. Coming to the summary table, it is very useful for the interviews. There are different features. First feature is number of layers. For single tier is 1, for 2 tier is 2 tiers, and for 3 tier number of layers are 3. And coming to the ETL process, in single tier it is integrated. In 2 tier, inside data warehousing system, we can have the ETL layer, and in 3 tier there will be separate ETL layer. OLAP engine, there won't be any OLAP engine in single tier. There is limited OLAP engine for 2 tier. Full OLAP server is available for 3 tier. Coming to the scalability feature, for single tier it is very low, and 2 tier it is moderate, and for 3 tier it is high. Industry use is for single tier rarely used, 2 tier occasionally it is used, and for last third tier like 3 tier, most companies use this kind of 3 tier architecture. Coming to the final point, that is performance. Single tier is very low for the performance, and 2 tier is medium performance, and 3 tier is the performance is very high. In this way, basic 3 architecture like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 architectures are available for data warehousing systems. I think you got some idea about the different tiers which are available for data warehousing systems. Thank you.
Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT profession with us.